Okay, it's a lot in city center. About 3,000 square feet lot. With an incredible bay view. Look at this. Between trees, so this one probably will have to go away. So we have this 12 to 13 meters per 15 to 18 meters large. It's a kind of rectangle. I'm going on the highest point, so my roof will not be able to pass 1 meter more when I am. So we have like a 2-floor building to build. Can appreciate the view we have. I would say the top view of San Juan del Sur, the crest, just the bay there. North is on my right, south on the left.